What's up guys, welcome to the vlog again. Matty here as always. If you are here for the first time, subscribe. We are trying to get a 10,000 subscribers as fast as we can. It's just going live, right? So yeah, you're not wrong. I got another V8, it's right here in front of me. Before we look at the car, this car was on the channel before, and it's kind of a project that I want to help somebody, but it's kind of also here for a long time, if you know what I'm saying. So just let's look at it. Yes, we got another V8, and it's a 1996 Grand Marquis. You guys saw this car before here on the channel. This is actually my father's-in-law car. This car has been sitting for a while. My father-in-law, it's kind of done with the car, so I want to help him and trying to make the best of this car. Overall it's in great shape, and believe it or not, this car, it's a freaking V8. It's heavy, it's big, but overall it's a V8. I think he bought this car probably like 10 years ago. It's in pretty good shape. The only I'll show you guys what is wrong with it, but what is my goal with it? It's very simple. I want to kind of make the best of it, try to, you know, put it in really good shape, and somehow surprise my father-in-law and say, hey, the car, it's done, it's drivable, and you guys is gonna understand why. Go take it, do whatever you want, and I think overall it's gonna be a good learning curve for me to deal with something like this. You guys know I always like to learn. So first things first, what is wrong with the car? First of all, has no brakes at all. Let me see if I can show you guys here. You see here, overall the interior, it's in great shape though. Like the seats are great. Like oh, I made a mistake. I thought it was less than 100,000 miles. It's 107, so almost there. So but you can see here, like, it's really good shape for the 1996. Everything is original. This car is pretty much original. I know it's not the car that, you know, it's like you buy for keeping your garage, but hey, my father-in-law has it, so let's try to help him to make the best of it. So you can see the brakes. Those are the brakes. Look at how far the thing goes. See, it's touching the freaking back of it, so there's no brake. What I think happened, I think it has some brake lines are broke or leaking, I don't know, and we're gonna fix it. The other things wrong with it, let me see if I can get this car to start. Right up. So, and the brake went even further though. Look at that, there's no brake at all. So we're gonna try to fix that. I believe that window doesn't go down. Let's try here. Well, that one goes down. One of the windows don't go. This one doesn't go down, and this one goes down, and that one doesn't go down. That one too. So we have one window with a problem and two windows with a problem. I can hear like it's working, but hey, whatever, we're gonna try to fix it. Again, there's nothing to do like inside of the car, and the interior is pretty much brand new. As I said, he keeps a bunch of stuff there. Also, you see the liner, it's falling. I don't know what we can do about it. Maybe I'll try to do some quick repair, see what YouTube can teach us, and we go from there. So far are the brakes, the windows, that liner there, and the most challenging thing will be it's because, hold on, let me grab that towel. The most challenging thing is the paint. As you can tell, the clear coat, it is gone. See, it's completely gone. I don't know if I'm just giving a couple of pads will fix it. And it's funny because it's this entire side of the car, even here on the roof is pretty rough too. It's because we got a ice last night. It's not even snow, it's kind of ice. So you see here, how bad it is. I don't know what I can do about it. I think the clear coat is gone. So we have a couple of options. So it comes all the way to the back. If you see here, always really bad. I don't know if you can wet sand it. And so if you guys know any good idea for it, the last idea, and this would be crazy, would be blast deep the entire car, change the color, make like brand new, and maybe get a new set of wheels, get rid of those wheels and tires because they are awful, and then give back to my father-in-law so he can enjoy it. He really likes this car though, because I told him like, hey, sell it for, I don't know, $1,500, $1,000, and sell it, get rid of it. But he really likes this car, he keeps it. And my goal here is, you guys know I really like to help other people, and my father-in-law, he helps me a lot. This is the least I can do for him. So those are the things I'm gonna attack. Of course, the brakes, the first one, and then we're gonna attack the windows, and then we're gonna try to fix the paint. I really need you guys' inputs on the paint. I don't know if it's just buffering. I would try to use whatever I have here, which I think it's 205 and 105, and see what it can do. I don't think we're gonna get rid of it. It's really in bad shape. This entire part here, the clear coat's definitely gone. So what we can do, as I said, maybe plastic the entire car, maybe change for a white or black kind of thing, and go from there. Again, overall, this car was in a crash a couple of years ago. They replaced this entire side of the car, so you can see the lines are not super in good shape. You see here how large is the gap, and here is not that bad. So we have a couple. This is the only issue that I know so far from this car, but other than that though, for like a car they paid off, it's just for my father-in-law, and to be honest, it's very comfortable for a 1996. It's super comfortable, super comfortable. Like, you can, if this thing, it's massive. Look at the trunk of the thing, and you have like a little thing that you push and open the trunk. Look at the size of this trunk though. Of course, he has stuff here. He did a lot of tile work with this car. So this car was able to handle all the tile thing. That was a kind of he was doing on the side. So that's why it's still pretty clean though. Like, he keeps the things pretty clean. I don't know why this car got, well, the thing is, he doesn't have a garage, and this car was sitting outside, never got like a clay bar. That's why I think you should clay bar your car. If you leave it outside, all the contamination, it's gonna destroy your paint. But anyway, the trunk, it's massive, it's huge. We're gonna clean it up, give it like a makeover. And the best part of this car though, of course, we are not talking about fuel economy here. That's the last thing we're gonna talk about with this car. It's fuel economy. It has a V8 on it. How crazy is that? This car has a V8 on it. Let's look at it. Look, 4.6 liter V8. This thing, it's like massive though. The thing we need to check, and I believe you see here the lines for the brake lines are all rusted for the brakes. Yeah, and see, it's completely empty. So our problem is probably coming from somewhere here. I think the leaking, it's coming from underneath. You see, you can see the lines are so rusted that it's like ridiculous. So here's the big challenge though. Am I able to fix this car, at least the small stuff? I don't think it is anything worse than for example, putting headers on my Corvette, or even doing everything I did with the truck. I think it's very durable. I'll take my time on it. So I'll put in the garage. Today it's just the introduction. So we're gonna have a lot of things, and my goal is to give it back to him and make kind of surprise. He somehow watch my videos, so I hope he doesn't watch this. Maybe I'll try to not make him watch this one. But yeah, it's kind of give him back he knows that I'm gonna do stuff, so it's kind of not a surprise, but I don't know if he knows how deep I'm gonna go to it. Again, I'm really happy to help somebody like him who helped me a lot, you know, did a lot of stuff for me. He's a really handy guy. Everything I know about doing house stuff, that was my father-in-law. They kind of, he taught me how to do it, so it's the least I can do, you know what I'm saying? He knows I'm very handy with cars. I never did, I told him I never did the brakes, but hey, this is the best way to learn, like doing it, right? Let me know what you guys think, what I should do about the paint. I really need your input. I'm quite sure this video is not gonna get too much attention, but I'm doing for somebody that I care, and you know, I want to see them happy, and we go from there. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. One more project for us, so we're gonna attack it. I'll see you guys next upload. Never forget, enjoy life and work hard for it.